Are you living in Nairobi and especially during this rainy season? There are two important devices that you shouldn't miss in your consumer unit, especially if you are a home or a business owner. Most electricians do not factor in their wiring, and this goes ahead to affect your house operation, especially during floodings as well as the rains that are happening right now.
Sasa hii ni situation yenye uko Nairobi sasa hivi. Sasa hii ni nyumba. Ona kitu ina float to life. Gere. Sasa
areas such as parklands are affected by this rainy season, and your home could be affected especially because of electricity water issues. Nairobi is flooding, and these waters are wreaking havoc not only to motorists and people on the road, but the dwellers of Nairobi are having it rough, especially during this season. This is Parklands, and as you can see, there's a lot of rainfall, and other vehicles are actually at a mess. Look at that. Homes are not spared either. There's a lot of water in there.
Hapa ni Parklands. Mtu ameamua tu kujenga juu ya mto, akadivert mto kwa wale ambao majirani zake ambao anajua hakuna kitu watamfanyia. Angalia vile maji imejaa kwa nyumba zao. Ameamua tu amedivert mto. Yeye amejenga nyumba yake kubwa vizuri, anajua maji itaingia, but neighbors are suffering. So as a government, we are here to take action.
We have been seeing many houses submerged in water. We have also seen that many people in their homes have their furniture floating on water that gets into their homes. Now, this is a very important message for any Nairobi dweller to ensure that you are very safe together with your loved ones, especially when the waters get into your homes. The first thing that you need to ensure that you have in your house is the correct protective devices, starting with, very importantly, the RCCB. This RCCB is very important in the sense that in case water wets the electrical features or electrical appliances or electronics in your home, it will automatically trip, shutting down the supply of electricity to your most valuable electronic or electrical appliances. This also ensures that it shuts down the electricity supply to the circuits where people are susceptible to electric shock. Now, this will protect your loved ones because they will not be injured by the current that flows, or they will not be electrocuted to death. Having this important device ensures that you are safe. It also detects the current leakages to your home appliances. Another important thing, it will not allow electricity to flow where there is water or damp areas in your home, especially in the sitting room, in the bedroom, in the dining room, as well as in the kitchen area. Shutting electricity down guarantees that whoever is there will definitely be protected against skin burns or even death. Top bosses, if you're finding value out of our today's video, smash that like button. And if you have been affected by these rains in one way or the other, let me know in the comment section. Over 95% homes in Nairobi only consider the main switch as well as the circuit breakers. Now, these devices only protect against two key things. Number one, an overload, and number two, a short circuit. This will not protect you against an electric shock. If electricity flows through water, then it means that these will continue to allow the electricity to flow. And if someone in your house or even yourself get in contact with that water, you will definitely be electrocuted. The worst part is you can receive very serious burns on your skin, or in other unfortunate cases, it can lead to death. Now, having this in your consumer unit does not guarantee safety for you as well as your loved ones. This is where the RCCB comes in, because it detects a slight current leak to the water or to the appliances that you have. And if someone is in contact with that water or that appliance and they are about to receive an electric shock, it will definitely trip, saving their lives. The second important device that you need to have is an SPD. Why is an SPD important, especially during this rainy season? A surge protective device in full ensures that in case there is a surge that falls on the power line, it definitely does not get to your home. It will be stopped by a surge diverter, especially if your earthing system is working properly. What the surge diverter does is that it caps the high voltages that find their way all the way from the power lines to your home electrical installation. Instead of that high voltage going ahead to damage your most valuable home electronic appliances such as your phone, your sound system, your TV, or even the appliances such as your kitchen cooker, your fridges, your TV, as well as all of the appliances that you use, it will simply redirect that to the ground. Now, an important aspect for you to note is that your earthing system has to be working perfectly, so that this will create a path that will redirect all the surges to the ground. An earth rod, an earth mat will guarantee a quality electrical surge traveling all the way to the general earth, and therefore saving you against surges. Did you know that even during these rainy seasons, especially in Nairobi, such areas such as the Parklands, Muthaiga, Karen are supposed to be protected by this surge diverter? Why? Because the surges can cause heavy spikes in voltages, which can even result to fire. This is what happens whenever there are surges that travel to your home appliances. Low-powered gadgets or devices such as chargers, which charge your phones, your laptops, and even your important devices such as iPad, can definitely start flames. These flames can escalate into fires, especially if you are not home and these appliances are left on. These fires can lead to loss of your home, and we don't want to get to that point. Ensure that your consumer unit has this device, or you can have it at your home's power board or the meter board or the meter box. This will definitely work silently when you don't know, and when your neighbors are suffering surges that destroy their homes or their home appliances, your home is protected against such vices. Ensure that your home installation has these two important devices. Number one is an RCCB to ensure that you are safe from electrical shocks. And number two, an SPD to ensure that you are safe from power surges that are always happening during this rainy season. Because if at all the national grid does not have the surge diverters to protect it, the surges will definitely find their way to your home. Do you own solar power in your home or business? Do you know that there are protective devices that are supposed to be there to ensure that your solar power does not fail, especially during the rainy season? To know the correct devices that you need to have, we have a checklist for you, and the link is right here on the description. Click and get a free PDF that will give you for a free solar checklist for protective devices that you need. For the many students that we are coaching when it comes to solar power installation as well as sizing, we have helped them understand the importance of having the correct devices when it comes to solar power. We have a ready course that will help you become better at solar, especially when it comes to the most difficult subject, and that is solar sizing. Margaret is preparing the cable. If you are interested in this course, be sure to click the link on the first comment on this video, and we will share a PDF where we highlight on the first steps for you to become better at solar wiring. And then after that, ensure that you have this important device here, which will ensure that your home is protected against an overcurrent. Another important device that always has to be working is the MCB. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are looking for these devices, let us know in the comment section. If you want to protect your home, ensure that you get in touch with us and we will assist you in getting the correct devices. Also, the right devices that you want for your home so that we can be there to help. If you're in Kenya, you have your home in Kenya, and you fear that this rainy season can bring trouble to your home and also affect your loved ones, you don't need to wait for that moment. Get in touch with us, 0711 34 34 12 or +254 711 34 34 12, and we'll definitely get in touch with you and help you overcome this mystery, especially during this rainy season. My name is John Gatehi, and this is Top Heights Electricals and Electrician. Thank you so much, my top boss, for watching our video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any episode that is coming up. If you gained any information in this video, you will get a lot when you click either of these ones right here. See you in the next one.